Today we are going to make fixture assembly. Let's take one look on that. See, this is our fixture assembly. For that, there are many parts in fixture assembly. We have to make one by one these all parts. Let's start it. First, we are going to make this end plate. For end plate, we have to make one square of length 4 by 4. Let's make it. Select plane, go on sketch option. Then I am taking rectangle, center rectangle of length 4 by 4. Give length from constant option as 4 and then OK. Again 4 and then OK. Now this is rectangle. Now our next step is what? Let's say it. See, there is one circle. We have to make this of diameter 1. It's already given. Let's make it. I am making one circle here from the middle of this square, giving its dimension as 1 as a diameter. Now again we have to make some circles around that big circle of length, what? Of length of diameter 0.19. Okay, let's make it. And the given BCD is of diameter 1.625. First let's make this BCD. Select circle command, then go here to make it dotted. Select middle of that circle, then take dimensions. The given dimension was 1.62. Then click on OK. Now we have to make circles, small circles actually. See, make some small circles. First click here, and now we are going to make circles of diameter 0.19. Then OK. Now we are going to make it mirror. For that, select circle which you want to mirror, then go here like mirror option, then select the axis on which you want to mirror it. Again I am selecting one circle, making circle here, giving them dimensions. It's 0.19. Okay, now I am selecting this and making mirror against this axis. Now what is our next step? Let's see it. See, there are again 4 circles, so we have to make it, and its dimensions are given as 0. Its diameter is 0.26. We have to make 4 holes. Give dimensions from here. Dimension 0.26. Diameter is 0.26 and then enter. Now see, the distance is 0.5 from this edge and again from this edge as 0.5. Give dimensions. Select constraint option. Again select .5 and again constraint, and from this side also 0.5. Now again I am going to make mirror to it. This I am selecting this and going on mirror, and again I have selected the this plane. Again selecting this circle and then mirror and this vertical plane. See, our sketch is almost ready. Our sketch is ready. Now the given thickness, we are going to extrude it, so the given thickness is 0.5. For that you have to go on exit to workbench, and from here it is the pad command. Select it and give here dimensions as 0.5. As the dimensions are given here like 0.5, this is given diameter, this is given thickness, so the given, we are selecting given thickness as 0.5. Then select mirror extent. After selecting mirror extent, you have to give here dimensions of 0.5 divided by 2, because it's mirror extent and we want length of 0.5, we want thickness only 0.5. And then click on preview and it's okay. Then it's looking as given in sketch. Then click on OK and the end plate is ready now. Thank you.